I'm Jen and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing a step tutorial for a step that honestly I swore I had done, but apparently I haven't because I searched my entire channel and I couldn't find one. And this is a step that I have been putting into some dances for my adult class, and it's a tough one, to be honest. It's a really tough one because it combines 3 different things at once. So the step I'm going to teach you is a barrel turn. If I do already have this on my channel, please forgive me. Hey, you get it twice. You get 2 different perspectives on it because I definitely don't remember what I said the last time if I did it. So, hi Bento. Sorry, he's like all over me today and he just wants all this attention, and I'm just going to pet you for a second and then I'm going to make loud noises, okay? Great. Go about your day, baby. He does not want to. Okay, he'll leave when I start making loud noises. But yeah, so we're gonna do barrel turns. So I'm gonna teach you the step, and this is what I call a barrel turn. You might call it something different. You might do something different under the term barrel turn. That's fine. It's also not the barrel turn that you do in like jazz or in like contemporary. Baby, what are you doing? Oh, honey. Okay, now is the time for tummy rubs, apparently. All right, so anyway, it's not the kind of barrel turn you do in contemporary or jazz, but it is what I call a barrel turn. I'm going to teach you the step first, and then I'm going to show you how to turn it, and then I'm going to show you the arms that I put with it. So let's go ahead and get started. Good timing to leave, Bento. That was adorable, though, wasn't it? Oh, my God. All right, so the step is step, toe, hop. So you go right foot step, toe, and then you hop, and then you do it on the other side. Step, toe, hop. So it's step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop. Right and then left. Step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop. Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop. Good. So let's try it left to right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop. Good. So to finish that off, you would do a step after it because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You gotta have 7, hold 8. So you step and then your left foot would be free. So let's try it adding the step on the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. Left foot is free. Now let's try it on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. Good. So that is the step. It's step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step, step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. Right to left. Let's do it a little bit faster and try going right to left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, toe, hop. Oh, that's way faster than I expected to go. Let's do that again. Step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. That's better. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. Step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. So when you do it right to left, there is a step, a pause, and then another step. That's the part that gets people, I think, the most. Because you have 1, 2, step. You don't just go right into another toe hop. You comma, you pause, you start over, and it starts with a step. Step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. Think of them as 2 completely separate individual things. Step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. Done. Step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. So end with a step, start with a step. Let's try that again. 5. Wait, step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. Let's get a good tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. Step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. Good. Okay, so that is the step for a barrel turn. Now how you would turn that, the way that I turn it, it can go either way, but I prefer it this way. You go step, I'm turning around behind me. Step, toe, hop. I'm about halfway across now. Step, toe, hop, step. So I'm going to start over here. I'm going around toward the back. So like for you, I guess that's the front. This is the front for me. I'm stepping around this way. So it's not like a chaîné turn or a soutenu turn where you go toward the front. Like that would be if I went this way. But now we're going the opposite way. Because when you do a barrel turn in jazz, it goes toward the back, right? Or like if we were on this side, it goes toward the back. It doesn't go toward the front. So we're going to do the same exact thing with the tap step. So you have step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. So let's try that turning. We're doing it on the right. So I'm turning like this way. My right foot is going down, which means my right side is going down, which means my left side is the one going up into this turn. Hopefully I'm explaining that right. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. Good. Okay, let's try the left side. Left side, we've got this way, around. Okay? So you're going to follow, your left foot goes down, which means your left arm goes down, which means the right leg is leading the turn toward the back. Okay? So let's try that. Step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step, and 5, 6, 7, 8. We have step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. So just because we're turning, it doesn't change the integrity of the step. The step remains step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. That stays the same no matter what. You add the turn, it doesn't change the step. That's like the most important thing to remember, because when we add a turn or we speed it up or we add arms, our brains go, this step has suddenly become much more complicated. And we freak out, we stress about it. And that panic moment can make us change the step, because suddenly we go, it's way harder. But remind yourself, it's not. All you did was add motion and movement to something you already knew. And I'm saying it this way because this is the way I have to tell my brain when I'm taking class and they teach us the step and go, okay, now we're going to take it across the floor. And I'm like, it doesn't make it more complicated. It's still the same step. I just have to move with it. That's all. And I'm telling myself that the whole time because I tend to way overcomplicate things. So when you do this, the turn does not change the step. It's still step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. All you're doing is turning around while you do it. So let's do right to left. Okay, nice and slow. 5, 6, step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. Making sure. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. Other side, step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. Not me almost falling off my floor. The hardest part is remembering which way to turn. So just remember you're going back the way you came with step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. I just came from that way. I'm going to go back that way. Step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. Okay, so I go this way, face the camera. I go this way, face the camera. Or face the back of the room for you guys. Okay, so now let's add the arms. I think the arms make it much easier. So they definitely follow the pattern of jazz and contemporary barrel turns that have that up, down, down. So for the right, remember how I said your right foot goes down, which means your right arm goes down? That is true. Your left arm comes up first. Step, toe, hop. You switch halfway through. Step, toe, hop. Arm comes down, step. So all you're doing without the footwork, you're just going left, right, down. That's it. So you're leaning into that tilt. Step, toe, hop, and then you go this way. Step, toe, hop, step. You lean into that tilt. These arms are absolutely not required. Absolutely not. I just wanted to show you how I do them. So let's try it with or without the arms, completely up to you on the right side. Step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. Ready, go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, toe, let's try it on the left. So this time we're going, left arm goes down, right arm comes up. Then you switch, and then the arm comes down. So this is going to be step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. So let's try that. I'm going to keep the card maneuvering because my shirt keeps coming up. Well, let's try it. Left side. So the right arm's coming up. Sorry, I hit my fake tree. 5. The step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step. Good. So hopefully that helps you learn a barrel turn, and I'm going to tell all of my adult students that have this in their recital dance to come to this video if they need any extra help with it. They can also just ask me in class, but like, just in case it's like a Sunday morning and they don't want to bug me, they can come right here, although they all have my phone number and they can bug me. It's fine. I'm always ready to answer questions about tap. So hopefully this helped you learn a barrel turn. Remember, the arms are like stylistic, just stylistic preference, no big deal. If you do a barrel turn differently in tap, please tell me. I'm always looking to learn different ways that we all do things because tap vocabulary can mean literally anything. So if you do a barrel turn differently, please show me. I'm so excited to see it, and hopefully this helped you learn barrel turns. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the tap fam. We've got technique exercises like this. Well, this is a step tutorial. Actually, we have step tutorials like this. We have technique exercises where we take those steps and we use them in like a little combination. And then we've got choreography tutorials, vlogs and challenges, all kinds of stuff on this channel. It's all free and it's all for you. So make sure you subscribe. Also, while you're at it, hit that thumbs up because it helps people find tap dance, and we want people to find tap dance. So subscribe, thumbs up, do a barrel roll. And as always, thank you for dancing with me.